for the invitation to my friend Uncle Dexter. Thank you for the invitation. Babati lang po ako sa inyo. I was at Dicara for the past 3 days. This is the first time in more than a decade that Abra is faring well in the competition. So in Abra, the political landscape in Abra has changed. For the past 3 months, bago po yung political dynamics sa Abra. So we have to look at the welfare of our athletes now. Dati-dati po kasi kulang yung support sa mga athletes namin. But this time, we made sure that each and every local sub-executive in the province, especially the 27 municipalities, we made it sure na suportado yung mga athletes namin. As of 3 p.m. today, I am very proud to announce to everyone that Abra is number 2 in the standings. Next of course to the perennial champions Baguio City. Ang pinaglalabanan lang naman po talaga dyan is yung third placer. Because ang common practice po dyan as historically, of course Baguio City is always the perennial champion, and then the host province takes the number 2 spot, and then ang pinaglalabanan is yung third placer, overall third placer. But good to know that the province of Abra is now at the number 2 position in front of Benguet, who is the host province. So sobrang saya po namin because as I mentioned, tagal na panahon na po namin na hindi nakatungtong sa number 2, number 3, number 4. We are always at number 5 position. Last year we bagged 16 gold medals overall. That was our record last year. But day 1 pa lang po, yesterday, we already equaled the total production last year. We already have 16 golds as of yesterday. We added a few today, so medyo nalampasan na namin yung target namin to overcome the production last year. Once again, thank you. Thank you po sa inyong lahat, Baguio correspondents, broadcasters. Ang pakiusap ko lang po sana, tulungan niyo po kami sa probinsya ng Abra. Because why do we need the help of kayo po mga broadcasters? Kasi kung nangyayari sa Abra, because we are a perennial hotspot during election, and we are fast approaching again the elections. Dalawang buwan na lang mahigit, mag-election na po tayo. But ang problema po sa Abra, konting girian lang po ng mga supporters. Nami-media na kami ng bonggang-bonggang. Whereas in other places, may patayan sa NBC, it's just an ordinary report. Whereas in Abra, konting girian lang, kasagian lang yung magkalaban na partido, parang ang dami-dami nang namamatay. Yun yung I'm making an appeal to each and every broadcaster, to each and every media personality here, na sana po tulungan niyo po kami para makalimutan po ng taong bayan yung well, that has been a long dilemma of ours in Abra, na konting-konti lang po na may hindi pagkakanulaan doon, parang sandaan na po yata yung namamatay. Yun po yung problema namin sa Abra. So kayo po, we are from the Cordilleras. I know, nakakaya po kami sa Abra. Kasi pag pinag-usapan mo yung election violence, nadadamay po kayo dito sa Cordillera, iyak-iyak po kami sa Cordillera. This is the sad reality. Nag-iyak po talaga kami. Because, you know, as we all know, we are part of the Cordilleras. So, we are trying to erase the mentality. The mentality for the past 4, 5, 6 elections, tahimik na po talaga ng Abra. You can compare based on available statistics. You can compare Ilocos Sur with Abra, katabilang po kami. During the last election, wala naman po namatay sa Abra na election related. But lagi-laging nasa radar kami ng whoever declare ng hotspot or whatsoever. Yung Ilocos Sur po, ang dami naman namamatay doon. Wala naman nagpupuntang media. Pero kami, filing pa lang, baklasan pa lang ng mga illegal campaign materials, parang lagi nakafocus ang national media sa amin. So, this time, I am appealing to each and every media personality here in the Cordillera sa tulungan niyo po kami sa Abra to get out doon po sa nakamarka sa probinsya ng Abra. Yun lang po ang pakiusap ko sa inyo mga tiga-media. We are all Cordilleras. We are all Cordilleras. Tulungan niyo po kami kasi wala naman magtutulungan kung hindi tayo taga-Cordillera kasi gaya ko sinabi ko, laging nadadami po ang buong region, yun po ang nakakaya. So once again, thank you so much for the invitation. Sana po makatulong din po kami sa inyo in the near future. Makatulong din po ang probinsya ng Abra. I am inviting you, kayo po lahat na members of this prestigious organization here in the Cordillera. Maybe we can host. I am presenting myself na mag-host po. If ever may gathering kayo, doon naman po kayo mag-meeting sa Abra. Ako na po mag-host sa inyo. Tingnan naman po kung gaano katahimik yung Abra. Para hindi lang po si Manong Romy Gonzales ang mag-report sa inyo. So, hindi po kasi na Abra. So, hindi po kasi na Abra to.